Libra, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Guys, this is not a gender specific or a time specific reading, so please take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. Do check out all your other placements for a better clarity. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Is it a love reading? Is it a career reading? Is it a love reading or a career reading for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs? This looks like a career reading. This looks like your energies, Libra. It's an air sign. I'm also seeing that you guys are determined to fulfill your duties, fulfill your career opportunities, fulfill your passions. You are like a horse with blinkers. You guys are hell-bent on making a difference in your life, a positive difference. In your present situation, I see that Libra, you are a little caught up between what is good, what is not, what's happening, why am I stuck in a lot of situations that are really not helping me. This is your mindset for now, Libra. Let's see what is there in your near future. Ace of Cups. Something new, something passionate, something romantic for some of you is coming your way. I see that you guys are opening your heart to newer possibilities. I see that there is a passionate new beginning when it comes to the things that you truly love. Now, it need not be a partner, like a romantic partner. But say you are starting your career in modeling or in pottery or jewelry making. These are all the things that one loves. You know, these are just examples. But it could be art, it could be dance, it could be anything, but something that creatively ignites your soul. Let's see an extra message from this deck. And then we'll draw out clarifiers. Six of Swords is the additional card. Libra, I'm seeing that you guys are moving on from things that are, they're being a waste of time. You don't want to waste your time anymore, Libra. And you're moving on to better things. You're taking quick decisions. You know, your decisions, if you really need to decide on something, it's going to be really quick. For some of you, there could be a reconciliation on the charts, but since this is a general message, it can be for anyone, it can be for no one. Please clarify the King of Swords in the past position for Libra. I think in the past you were quite stubborn and hell-bent on not changing. Oh, see, you've got the Six of Swords again, but this is a different deck, but the same card. Major moving on energies, major changes coming your way. I see that you guys are trying to build something which is more concrete. Right now, things were fleeting. You guys were trying to build something, but then things were just falling apart. But now you're moving on from choppy waters to calmer waters, and it's amazing, Libra. I'm getting the message that if you are worried about a near one's health, rest assured they'll be fine. Someone's favorite color could be red or green. Yeah, you're concentrating on your work, you're concentrating on something that you want to really, because you're a hardworking person, you're a hardworking sign Libra, and I feel that this is a major uh, career reading because you were caught up, you didn't know what to do, you're feeling stuck in your career, but things are taking a little while, but they're moving. Don't be afraid of taking any kind of risk, but obviously, weigh your options, weigh your pros and cons, and then move ahead. But things are moving in your favor. Um, whatever hard work you've put in is going to bear fruit very soon. Please clarify the Ace of Cups. What goes around comes back around, Libra. If you have been going through some dark times, rest assured good times are coming your way. If you have been very happy but have thought that, sometimes darkness follows the light, yeah, you could be heading towards some trying times, but it's not going to be that difficult. Just take everything in your stride, be hopeful, be happy, and keep moving, guys. Some of you could be traveling, some of you could be meeting your soulmate on a journey. I'm getting, some of you, I'm getting relocation to Europe, a country in Europe. The additional message is Five of Cups. Don't look at the things that have fallen apart. Don't look at the things that are not working out for you. Don't look at the things that have hurt you. See the things that are still going on for you. If you have food to eat, clothes to wear, a bed to sleep in, you are blessed. And a lot of us don't even have that. So just be grateful for everything that God has given you, because once you're grateful for what you have, God opens more, gives you more reasons to be happy and more grateful for. Number 5, 7, 10 are important. 2 is important. You could be juggling between a lot of things, but be present. Whatever you're doing, whether it's work or party, be present. That is a message that Spirit is giving me. You've got the Sun card. 19 is an important number, but Libra, what I'm seeing here is that you guys are heading towards something really beautiful. Darkness is finally receding and it's giving way to light. The Sun card is one of the most positive and beautiful cards in the deck, in the tarot deck. And don't feel so bad about things, okay? I'm not saying just be emotionless, but don't dwell on them too much, because the more you dwell on things that are not working out for you, the more they'll magnify. Okay, so correct yourself, check yourself there. Number 10 could also be important. These are dates, guys. Okay, these are dates for the months. You can just keep an eye out for them. You've got the 10 of Swords in reverse. Endings are no longer a part of your life. If you thought that whatever starts just suddenly comes to an end, that's not going to happen anymore. Things end because they were not meant for you. And Libra, rest assured, you're never going to mess up something that is truly meant for you. As I mentioned, 10 is an important number. 10 is an important date. You've got the Death and Rebirth card with the World card, which means end is end of things that are making you sad and new beginnings are on the horizon. Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end, Libra, and not all endings are bad. Okay? Number 13 could be important, 4 could be important for some of you. An additional message for Libra. Ten of Swords again, Ten of Wands, sorry, Ten of Wands again. Burdens are leaving your life. Number 10 is a really important number, important date. Something is going to shift in your life. Something is going to come to an end and some new beginning is going to start. This beginning is going to be a game changer for you. Let's see some extra oracle messages. A year from now. So this card doesn't mean that it's going to take a whole year. It means that within the next year, things are going to shift. If you had a timeline related questions, this is your answer, a year from now. I'll draw out another card for you to give you additional clarity. No need to worry. No need to worry, Libra. The crumbling, what are you clinging to? So this is like the Tower card in the tarot. Things are ending because they have to give way to something new. Don't cling to things that were a part of the past, because the more you cling, the faster they fall. Okay? It's like sand in your hands. You know, if you cling too tightly, the sand passes. If you just let it be, it stays. And guys, what is passing through was never meant to be in your life. The Seas of Mintaka. It's such a beautiful card because this card talks about endless potential, endless blessings coming your way. It's not like you have exhausted all your resources. It's just the beginning of your journey, and it's a good beginning. It's a beginning that will change everything for the good, Libra. Sometimes we get layered up with all the experiences in our life that we forget our true nature. You and your loved ones are safe. A Cancer person could be important. This was a message that I got earlier in the tarot also. Conclusions are within reach. You're very close to achieving your goal. Communication is key. Gemini could be important. Communicate clearly, Libra. Wow, my dog is taken off. She's barking at something. She's got angry at something. A time to give rather than take. A Virgo person is important. I was going to say Leo. A Leo could be important for some of you. Give yourself the love that you've been giving to people, guys. That's what's required. I'll draw out an affirmation for you. The universe powerfully responds the instant I realign with love. It's so good. Libra, this was all for you. Thank you so much for giving the Pixie Goddess Tarot a chance to serve you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do visit my channel again. Thank you for watching. Bye.